We're gonna make some little apple yummies. Let's go. We're gonna need a fourth a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 sheet of refrigerated pie crust, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 apple. Granny Smith is the best to use for this, but you can use any apple you want. Preheat the oven to 425. We'll mix the 1/4 cup of sugar and the 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Need 1 more teaspoon. Mix it all together. And take out 1 tablespoon to save for later. We need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Here's the butter. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to cut right here. And then put it in a cup and put that cup in the microwave and melt the butter. Roll out the pie crust. And now it says that we need to brush 2 tablespoons of butter onto the pie crust. The big question is, what brush do I use? Do I use this brush? This is a hairbrush. Or do I use this brush? This is a paintbrush. They're the only brushes I have. I'll use this one. I can't use this hairbrush because it's my mom's hairbrush. It's not mine. Otherwise, I might use this one. Just kidding. Don't use the hairbrush. Take the melted butter and spread it around the pie crust. All over. Sprinkle the sugar and cinnamon on the melted butter on the pie crust. We need to slice the pie crust into 8 slices. A pizza cutter is the best thing to use, but I'm just going to use a regular knife. Make sure you ask your parents before using a knife or a pizza cutter. And you're going to slice right down the middle. Ta-da! You're gonna need 8 slices of apples, just like this one. 8 of them. Then you're gonna wrap them in the pie crust with the sugar cinnamon facing the apple. You just wrap it up like this, all around. Ta-da! Just like that. They're wrapped in the pie crust. You put them on a cookie sheet just like this. Then you brush them with butter. Then you take your 1 tablespoon of sugar and you sprinkle it on the tops. Don't use the whole tablespoon. It's a lot of sugar. Now we put them in the oven for 13 minutes. Hi, what you making? I'm making little apple yummies.
I love apple yummies. Can I have one? I'm gonna have one.
Not right now! They're done. Bye! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button. Let's go.